Shakshuka. I think that's how you say it, and that's what I'm making. Welcome back to the Silly Kitchen. I have always wanted to try making this dish, and I don't know why I've never gotten around to it. So today is the day, and I am warning you, I am trying to make this dish for the very first time. I'm putting my own little spin on it, because that's what I do, and I am hoping everything turns out great. So what is shakshuka? It is eggs with some marinara, some levels of flavor in there, and all around deliciousness from what I hear. I'm starting by slicing up some red and white onions. I'm also going to use red pepper in this recipe, and we're gonna head right over to the stovetop in a hot pan to cook out those onions and peppers. Let's start building our flavor with some garlic, salt, and pepper, and I like using a little bit of cumin as well as some chili powder in this. Once your onions have cooked down and are translucent, we get to add in our marinara. I like adding stewing tomatoes too because those are nice and thick and chunky. I don't think spinach is traditional in this recipe, but I love it, so I'm using it. And once you've cooked that down, it is time to place your eggs in gently into this mixture. Salt and pepper on top and a nice sprinkle of feta cheese before it goes into the oven for about 7 minutes at 350 degrees. This recipe is perfect with some crunchy, beautiful baguette bread, so get yourself some slices of that before you plate it onto your dish. I like making sure that a bunch of marinara goes down first, and then I scoop the egg out, garnish, and let's see if the moment of truth, did we get a runny egg? Yes, we did. Oh, that is my favorite part. I love a good runny egg. All around, that was very easy to make. I didn't feel like it was difficult. I hope you try this one at home if you haven't already. I know I am late to the game, but this is definitely coming back into the Silly Kitchen again. That was yum. Thank you so much. I always appreciate you watching. Until next time.